Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of quick crafts, small woodworking projects for every skill level you can use for your home and office decor. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Woodworking is a rewarding hobby that combines creativity, precision, and practicality. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a complete beginner, small woodworking projects offer the perfect opportunity to hone your skills and create functional or decorative items. These projects can be completed in a relatively short amount of time, making them ideal for those with busy schedules. Here are some quick craft ideas suitable for every skill level. One of the simplest projects to start with is a wooden planter box. It requires minimal materials and tools, making it an excellent choice for beginners. You'll need a few pieces of untreated pine or cedar, which are both easy to work with. Cut the wood into suitable dimensions. Typically, a rectangular shape works best. Assemble the pieces using wood screws and a waterproof wood glue for added durability. Once finished, paint or stain the planter box to protect it from the elements and enhance its natural beauty. This project not only provides a space for your indoor or outdoor plants, but also helps you develop basic woodworking skills. Another beginner-friendly project is a wooden birdhouse. A birdhouse can either be simple or elaborate, allowing for creativity based on skill and available materials. Start with a basic design, cutting front, back, and side panels from plywood or cedar. Use a drill to create an entrance hole and ventilation holes. Assemble the birdhouse by securing the panels with screws or nails, and finish it with non-toxic paint. This project serves as a great way to attract local wildlife to your garden while offering a chance to practice assembly and finishing techniques. For those with slightly more experience, a small side table or nightstand can be a fulfilling project. Begin by sketching out a basic design that includes a top, 4 legs, and possibly a lower shelf for additional storage. Select wood that suits your style. Hardwoods like oak or walnut offer durability and beauty. Cut the pieces to the desired dimensions and assemble them using wood glue and dowels or screws. Sand the surfaces smooth and apply a finish that complements your home's decor. This project not only enhances your living space, but also solidifies your understanding of more complex joinery techniques. Shelving units are another fantastic option for small woodworking projects. Whether you need extra storage in a closet or decorative shelving in a living room, custom shelves can fit any space perfectly. Start by determining the size and style of shelves you want. Choose sturdy wood such as plywood or solid hardwood, and cut the pieces to size. Install wall brackets or create a floating design using concealed hardware for a modern touch. Choose from various finishes, including stains, paints, or clear sealants, to match your existing decor. This project offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal, proving that woodworking can enhance the organization and decor of any home. Picture frames are an excellent way to utilize leftover wood scraps while showcasing cherished memories. Creating custom picture frames allows for creativity in sizing, style, and finishes. Cut pieces of wood to create a frame that suits your desired photo size. A miter saw can help achieve clean, angled cuts for a polished look. Assemble the frame using wood glue and corner clamps, ensuring it's square. Finish with paint, stain, or decorative carvings to personalize your frame. This project not only enhances your home decor, but also encourages experimentation with different styles and techniques. A wooden coat rack is another practical project that combines functionality with woodworking aesthetics. This project can be as simple or intricate as you choose. You'll need a wooden board for the base and hooks for hanging coats, hats, or bags. Cut the board according to your desired length, and sand it down for a smooth finish. Attach the hooks evenly spaced along the board. To add a decorative touch, consider staining or painting the coat rack to match your interior decor. This functional item can serve as a focal point in your entryway or mudroom while helping you practice both cutting and assembly techniques. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? For those who enjoy crafting for children, creating wooden toys can be a delightful project. Simple shapes like blocks, cars, or puzzles are excellent starting points. Use non-toxic wood and ensure any pieces are sanded smooth to avoid splinters. Begin with basic geometric shapes and gradually create more detailed designs as your confidence grows. This project not only allows for creativity and fun, but also encourages hands-on play and learning for kids. You can even personalize the toys by painting or engraving names or designs onto the wood, making it a perfect handmade gift for a loved one. Wooden key holders add a functional twist to wall art and are straightforward to build. Start with a simple wooden board and attach hooks for keys, or create small compartments for wallets and small items. Sand the board smooth, and consider painting or staining it to make it visually appealing. This is a quick project that not only practices your woodworking skills, but also creates a functional space in your home, helping everyone stay organized. For the more adventurous, a wooden clock can be a rewarding challenge. Using a round piece of wood as the base, you can carve or paint numbers to create a unique design. Choose a clock mechanism kit that fits your design style, which can easily be found in craft stores. Drill a hole in the center for the clock mechanism and attach the clock hands. Sand and finish the clock to create a warm, inviting appearance. This project combines craftsmanship with artistry, resulting in a functional piece that doubles as decor. As you embark on these woodworking projects, remember that practice is key to improving your skills. Each small project presents an opportunity to learn new techniques, whether it's mastering the saw or perfecting your joinery skills. Moreover, woodworking is a fantastic creative outlet that allows you to express your style while creating practical items that serve a purpose in your home. Creating a woodworking space, even if it's a small corner of your garage or a shed, will encourage you to take on more projects. Invest in basic tools like a saw, drill, sander, and safety gear, and ensure you have a clean and organized workspace. This will not only enhance your efficiency, but will also make your woodworking experience more enjoyable. Lastly, sharing your projects with family and friends can be incredibly rewarding. Whether you give homemade gifts or showcase your work online, the feedback and appreciation you receive can motivate you to keep crafting. Remember, woodworking is a journey. Embrace the learning process and have fun with each step along the way. With patience, practice, and creativity, you'll find joy in transforming simple pieces of wood into beautiful, functional works of art that enrich your living space. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.